Hi students, so this lecture for BBA second sem on corporate accounting. In the last class we discussed the problem on the simple average method for calculation or for the valuation of the goodwill. Okay, I hope all of you saw that earlier lecture and all of you understand also, I hope. And it's very easy method to to ascertain the value of goodwill. Okay, so now we will see one more problem on that, which is related to the simple average method. Okay, you know that formula is also, you know that very well. Okay, so the what's the formula? You know, simple average profit into number of years purchase, and you know what, how to calculate the simple average profit, the total profits divided by number of years. Okay, so this is the formula for the calculation of the simple average profit. Okay, so now see the problem number 3 which is the third number. The profit of a partnership firm for the past 5 years was as follows. So these are the 5 years are given. So 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, these are the 5 years. Okay, so each year the profit is given. So what's the profit for the 2011? It's rupees 30,000 for 2011. For 2012 it's a 20,000. For 2013 it's a 24,000, and for 2014 it's a 22,000, and for 2015 it's a 24,000. Okay, so it was decided to value the goodwill of the firm at 3 years purchase of the average profit of the past 5 years under simple average profit method. Okay, so with the help of this information we have to calculate the simple average profit method. So it means what's the value of goodwill we have to ascertain under these methods. Okay, for the how many years? For the 3 years purchase. Okay, for the 3 years good purchase purpose. Okay, so now see, you know the formula of that. What's the formula? Calculation of value of goodwill. Okay, so value of goodwill is equal to simple average profit into number of years purchase. Okay, so this is the formula for the value of goodwill. Okay, but we should know what we should know, the simple average profit. Okay, so for that purpose we have to ascertain the simple average profit also. So what's the formula for the simple average profit method? The total profits of given years. Okay, total profits of a given years divided by number of years. Okay, so now see the total profits of a given years, whatever this 5 years profit is given. For 2011 it's a 30,000, for 2012 it's a 20,000, for 2013 it's a 24,000, and for 2014 it's a 22, and for 2015 it's a 24,000. So make it the total of this year's profit and divided by number of years, you will get the simple average profit. Okay, the total profits for the 5 years it's rupees 1 lakh 20,000 divided by 5 years. Okay, so because 5 is a number of years. Okay, so you will get the simple average profit is rupees 24,000. Okay, so this 24,000 is what? Simple average profit. Okay, so now with the help of the simple average profit you can calculate the value of goodwill. Okay, so now what's the formula for the value of goodwill? It's a simple average profit into number of years purchase. Okay, and so we got the simple average profit is rupees 24,000. It's a 24,000 into 3 years purchase. Okay, 3 years purchase. So now calculate the value of goodwill. 24,000 into 3 years purchase, you will get the value of goodwill is rupees 72,000. Okay, so like this you have to solve the problems 5 for the 5 marks. Okay, so it's also very important for your exam oriented. So it will cover 5 marks, otherwise it will covers the 2 marks. Okay, so they may be asked to 2 marks for the what's the formula for the value of goodwill, or what's the formula for the simple average profit. Okay, for ascertainment purpose. Okay, so like this it will come for the 2 marks. Okay, just prepare it. Okay, so now see the problem number 4, which is for your homework purpose. Okay, so the Problem number 4, the profits of XYZ partnership firm for the year past 5 years were as follows. Okay, so again 5 years profit is given. For 2011 it's rupees 45,000, for 2012 it's 30,000, for 2013 it's 36,000, for 2014 it's 33,000, and for 2015 it's 36,000. Okay, so now again information is given. Okay, so again information is given. So see the information. It was decided to value the goodwill of the firm at 3 years purchase of the average profits of the past 5 years under simple average profit method. Okay, so we have to calculate the goodwill for the 3 years. Okay, we have to calculate the goodwill for the how many years? 3 years. Okay, and so the 5 years profit is given. So first of all you have to ascertain the simple average profit. Okay, so 5 year, make it the total of the 5 years profit, and then divide it number of years. Okay, you know that how many years profit is given. Then after whatever you will get the simple average profit, with the help of that you can calculate the value of goodwill. Okay, for the how many years? For the 3 years. Okay, for the 3 years you will get the value of goodwill. Like this you have to solve the problem. It's a homework. Okay, you can solve and send me on the WhatsApp. Okay, so all of you note down this problem. Okay, so earlier problem also, this problem also. Okay, all of whatever the we solve the problems on the lecture, you have to note down your notebook. Okay, so I hope you will be the understand. So if you have any query with this session, you have any difficulty with this problem, you can ask me. Okay, so thank you.